Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube short video series. My name is Ken. I work for Greater China Customer Engineering team and I look after the security practice. In the session today, I will be talking about ReCAPTCHA Enterprise. I think ReCAPTCHA is already a familiar name to most of you, but ReCAPTCHA Enterprise is different. It has a lot more features which I will be talking about today. Let's get started. It would be great to look at the evolution of ReCAPTCHA throughout the years. From the left-hand side, we have the version 1, the distorted text. And we have the version 2, the image challenges, choosing all the tiles of buses, planes, fire hydrants, etc. Not greatest user experience, right? And then we have the version 3, which became invisible. It greatly improved the user experience. In 2020, we rolled it out ReCAPTCHA Enterprise. Essentially, it is the combination of version 2 and version 3, plus a lot of other features such as the native mobile application SDK for Android and iOS, and other features I'll be introducing to you later on. Okay, here's the list of ReCAPTCHA Enterprise features. It has much granular when it comes to risk scoring, and for all the assessment results, you will have a reason code in the JSON return. And you can leverage the annotation API to tune the risks. It also comes with password leak protection, account defender, payment defender, native mobile application SDK for both Android and iOS. And also, in the public preview, we have integrated second-factor authentication from email and SMS. In the ReCAPTCHA world, the 0 represents a likely abusive action, and the 1 represents very likely human interaction on your website or mobile applications. That hasn't changed for ReCAPTCHA Enterprise, but what has changed is you will have more granularity when it comes to risk scoring. As you can tell over here, compared to version 3, ReCAPTCHA Enterprise has 11 levels. Another feature I'd like to talk about today is the password leak protection. Let's assume you have already implemented ReCAPTCHA Enterprise on the login page of your web application. When the user trying to log in with the username and password, and your web application backend is sending an assessment to the ReCAPTCHA endpoint, and we will take the username and password combination hash and compare them against leaked database. If there isn't a hash match, that's okay, people can log in. If there is a hash match, then you can choose to take the returned assessment JSON to kick off different workflow, such as prompting user for second-factor authentication, which you can use the integrated feature from ReCAPTCHA Enterprise as well. Next one up, which is the integrated two-factor authentication. Essentially, you can choose to have ReCAPTCHA Enterprise to send the email of the one-time code to your application users or text them with a one-time code. So what needs to happen for the email second-factor authentication route is to add the Google Sender email service to your SPF record. So from the end user perspective, they'll be receiving an email from Google but with your own domain. And similarly, you want to do the similar setup for the text messages as well. Next one up is the account defender. There is a lot of information on this slide. Essentially talked about where is the best place to implement ReCAPTCHA and what does it do. But most importantly, I want to talk about is what you can get out from fake account defender feature or ReCAPTCHA Enterprise. You can think about the scenario that people trying to abuse your website to register a huge number of the fake accounts to abuse the discounts, or trying to get a limited edition Nike or Adidas sneakers, or leave fake reviews, etc. So this is where ReCAPTCHA Enterprise can help you to defend against those types of abuse. Bringing all the features together, you can use ReCAPTCHA Enterprise to build end-to-end anti-account takeover defense. You can use the risk scoring assessment to defend against normal bot attacks, and you can use the combination of account defender, payment defender, and password leak protection to defend against very sophisticated campaigns. Okay, that's all from me today. There are a lot more about ReCAPTCHA Enterprise you can learn from the link on the screen here, or you can reach out to me to have a chat about how ReCAPTCHA Enterprise can help to secure your web applications or mobile applications. Bye for now.